If Google can't find you, your clients can't either. Most agents neglect the one tool that gets them found, chosen, and called first: their Google business profile. Unverified profiles, outdated info, no strategy, no visibility. That's why we created ARIA, an AI-powered system combined with expert strategy to dominate local Google search and put your brand on the map. Literally, we don't stop at setup. We fully manage your Google presence, weekly posts, photo updates, review responses, keyword optimization, and lead capture integration. Increased visibility, more trust, more calls. ARIA clients dominate the local map pack on Google Maps and become the obvious choice in their market. Okay, but how would you benefit from ARIA? Well, ARIA will help you generate more high-quality leads, dominate local search results, make you look like the local market expert, grow your annual sales volume, acquire more reviews, and save you time and money. Want your Google business profile to work 24/7 while you close deals? Tap below to get started with ARIA and claim your local market.